Namaste and welcome back to the next tutorial. Today I'll show you how you can make the bibliometric map, and as is shown in a video from the VosViewer. So for this you can extract the data from the different just like PubMed, Scopus, wave of the science. So today I'll show you how you can extract the data from the PubMed. So you can search the PubMed and you will see this where you can see the all fields, and here you can add the different keywords. Just select the and here, and you can make the different keywords related to your research. And in this you can see the now in the search bar you will get the different research article which is related to that keywords, and you can also see from the different years gap where that has been done in those years, and so for the different arena you can also add the different keywords if you need the specific one. But if you go with the more specific you will get the very less result, so I will cancel that one and I will use same as before here. Now you can extract the data. Here you can see the save icon and email and send to. Click on the save and select your PubMed in the format section, and now you can create the file. Now open the VosViewer. Now you will see the different icon here. You can see the file, item, analysis. Likewise in the analysis there is a different icon there. You can see the different visualization as well, network visualization, overlay visualization, and density visualization. So go through the file and you can see the different here. Create a map based on the bibliographic data. Click on that and go to the next year, and here we have the PubMed data, so select on that second one, and here you can see the wave of the science, Scopus, dimension, length, and here we have the PubMed data, so I have select on that. So look at your file here which I have saved earlier, so that remember that file should be on the text format, so select that one and click on the next. So here you can take the analysis from the different like the co-authorship, but I'm going with the co-occurrence because I am more focused on the keyword appearance on the research. So you can do whatever occurrence, but I will go with the one. And here you can see the number of the different keywords, as I have found about the 81 keywords that has been used in different research. So finish that one. So this one is the density visualization. You can see with different like the network visualization as well, and overlay visualization. Here you can see the year as well, year trends which has been used with the different keywords here. And if you go in the items you see the cluster here, so the cluster and their keywords. And in the analysis as well you can see the different types of the methods and other resolution patterns, rotating your map as your preference. So here in another section in the visualization you can change the scale to increase the visualizations, and you can go with the links, total links, and occurrence. In the size as also, font size can be increased with the size variations, and you can also add the frames if you like that one. Similarly, you can also change the different fonts here, and in the lines variation as well, you can work on that as well. Similarly, if you don't like the color lines or curved lines, you can change that as well. Or you can also edit the different colors here. You can also change the background as in the black. So in this way you can make the different bibliometric map here, and here I'm using with the keywords. Next you can also do with the authors, which authors or how many authors have been work on these types of the research as well, with the different visualization patterns. So now if you want to extract this map, you can save it. So to save your map, go on the screenshot, you can see there save, and you can add the file name there, and the file type can be the P in PNG, and you can save that one. Now you can visualize your map, and this you can add in your literature review section or the methodology section in the research paper, and you can also identify the graph of the research, and in this way you can prepare the map. And